Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Pokemon Go. Too many operations, you will go to settings as you see here. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Pokemon Go and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.